Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode I'm going to open up the remaining carded cars I have from 2007, 2008 and 2009. Now, funnily enough, these all are cut short or ripped short. I don't know why or how, but that's the way I bought them. So let's start with 2008. This is the 1933 Ford in the Drop Tops series. So there's not a lot of metal on this one because the base is also plastic. Very shiny base, that's true. Got the 5-dot wheels in the front and then these other wheels in the back. Red interior. So just a red stripe down the side and a red painted grille. Headlights are part of the base and are chrome. Then we go to 2008. The Cadillac Escalade. This casting definitely fills the blister. Very big one. 2007 Cadillac Escalade. The letter A on the base, so the first year they started doing this type of numbering. The grille must be part of the chrome interior, and so are these side skirts. Got a huge post in the back, like most of these models have nowadays. Then we go to 2009. This was a new model in 2009, the Chevy Chevelle SS. Very nice blue version. It's also got blue windows. Could have done without, but that's okay. So it's got the door handles painted, the SS logo, and then the racing stripes and these hood latches. Grille is part of the chrome base, and so is the bumper and the taillights. All in all, a very nice casting. And there's some gear in the back. And then there was a recolor in yellow. This is the only one that has the complete card. Hot Wheels Premier 70 Chevelle SS. So basically the same as the other one, just a different color. Then another station wagon. This is the Chevy Nomad. Also from 2009. A very dark blue with some flames. Also got the chrome base. Very cool one. And then the last one is the Lincoln Continental, also 2009 release. So all American cars for once. '64 Continental it says on the base. Kind of a gold color with flames. So I see all of these cars had a chrome base. So that's not something they would do today anymore, I think. Black interior. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.